अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Guys, welcome to day 5 and I got Nikhil with me and आज हम एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं side plank rotation. This is gonna be tough. You can take as many breaks as you want, but please do this exercise with the right form. Alright, so I'll just show you quickly that how it has to be done. Alright, so I'll show you the modifier first. So this is the modifier. And you touch down, touch your elbow down. This way you're really working on your core. Alright, your side, your abs, everything is working. Alright, and you have to do this on the left side 50 and on the right side 50. Are you ready, Nikhil?
Yes, I
am. Awesome. Let's start. And remember, you can take a break. Whenever you feel that you're dropping the form, you can take a break. Alright? Nikhil is doing this. Intensify. Alright, let's start. Push. Count for yourself. Right. Awesome. Go slow. Don't run. Awesome. Yeah. Look at the form. Look at this. The perfect straight line. And he's just twisting and touching his elbow down and perfect form. इसे कहते हैं perfect form. So this is what you want to aim for, right? Keep going. So see, he's counting. Look at this. Look at the form. Look at the precision. I love this. Awesome, Nikhil. You're doing awesome. Fantastic. Come on.
25.
Awesome.
26.
Awesome. I love it.
27.
I love it.
28.
Awesome.
29.
Awesome.
30.
Fantastic.
31.
Keep going.
32.
Keep going.
33.
Come on, boy.
34.
Let's go.
35.
Awesome.
36.
He's not gonna stop at this.
37. 38.
There will be a 50. I'm telling you, there will be a 50 on this board. Come on, push.
43.
Don't drop your form. Go slow.
Come on. 5 more. 5.
Come on. This is he's no problem. See, this is how you do 45 and quickly come back and do those 5 reps on one side and then quickly move on to the other side. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome, Nikhil. Let's go on to the other side. Look at that. Awesome.
2.
Push.
3.
Push.
4.
Push.
5.
Push.
Come on. 6.
Push. Come on.
7.
Awesome,
Eight.
man. Awesome.
9.
Go slow. That's your elbow down.
12.
Do not cheat.
13.
Come on. That's it.
14.
That's it, boy. I want this.
15.
Awesome.
16.
Awesome. Keep going.
17.
Keep going.
18.
Go slow.
19.
Go slow. Awesome.
20.
Slow is the key.
21.
Slow with the perfect form.
23.
Look at the form.
24.
Awesome.
25.
Awesome, man.
26.
You're doing great.
27. 28.
He needs no motivation. He himself motivates. You know, he अपने आप को motivate कैसे रखना है. See, this is what you need to learn. He's doing awesome.
36.
Fantastic.
37.
Come on. Push.
39.
I love this.
40.
This is day
1
5.
more. 10.
Come on. He's doing
9.
reverse counting. This is what new
7.
technique. You know,
6.
एक 5,
4. 3.
2,
2.
and 1. Awesome, man. Awesome. This is what is all about. This is what we need. यही चाहिए. And you will get there with all your hard work. Day 5 of 100 Abs Challenge. And I will see you tomorrow with the next move. See you soon. Hey guys, अगर आपको आज का चैलेंज पसंद आया हो और अगर आपने ये चैलेंज किया है तो हमें कमेंट में लिख के बताएं कि आपने कब कब ब्रेक लिया है या आपने क्या प्रोग्रेस की है वो हमारे साथ शेयर करें।